Good morning, guys. I hope that you had a fantastic weekend. Hope you were able to get outside, especially on Saturday, and really enjoy the weather. We spent the afternoon out on the deck with the boys, and it was really special because they started crawling. So we have mobile babies that can move themselves, because up until now, they just cry every time they want to move from one place to another. Beyond doing a little bit of rolling, it was a lot of crying when they wanted to move. So that was special that I was able to see that. So yeah, I hope that you got outside, got a little taste of summer. Sorry, I don't have the best lighting right here. Um, and it was really fun to see your scavenger hunt pictures. Thank you for um, making the best of that. Hopefully, you had to look some stuff up. Like maybe you really didn't know what organisms were scavengers. There's a little bit of content that we haven't got to yet. So there is food webs, food chains, although that's probably pretty self-explanatory for you. And then there's things like invasive species, which we haven't got to yet. We'll get to that next week. So you might have to look a few things up if you don't know what they mean. Okay, so the scavenger hunt continues until May 12th. So on May 12th, we'll see who our class winners are. If I get to the point where I have people tied, I might come up with some creative ways. I might add a couple missions. So we'll see how it goes. I wasn't sure how to do the points before because I've never done this before. We usually go to the creek. So for Monday's assignment, today's assignment, I'm recording on Sunday. So for your assignment for Monday, we're going to do the second to last content piece that we have. So if you look here on the website, here is where we're at, where it says energy transfer. And I think in total, there's like a 4-minute video with types of energy, a 3-minute video with food chains and food webs, and a 3-minute video with energy pyramids. And then you have your homework quiz. So I think food webs, especially, are really interesting. They are models that represent ecosystems, and they're a really good way to describe the relationships. And I think the biggest picture that you have is how interdependent ecosystems are. That if you affect one organism, you're really not just affecting one, you're affecting many because it's a big web. And unfortunately, humans are really good at affecting ecosystems. And that's what we'll look at for our last week of school of human impact. So, what you need to do for today is you need to click on energy transfer, and then you can click on any of these and it will take you to the web page. But the 3 topics you're going to look at are types of energy, food chains and food webs, and ecological pyramids. So you can click on any of these places and watch the video. If something doesn't work with the video, almost all the content is reiterated down here. I recommend having the video up and then going and taking the quiz over that section. Now, this time I thought of an idea. When I did the quiz, I actually divided it into sections. So you'll have to click next to go to the next section. Actually, it won't let me. But the first section is a quiz specifically over types of energy. The second section is over food chains and food webs, and the third is over energy pyramids. So I divided it into sections for you. The homework quiz, you can take as many times as you like. On this one, when you're done, it will show you which ones you got correct and incorrect. It won't show you the correct answer. But take it as many times as you like. I had a couple emails that people were having trouble seeing their results. I have no problem looking that up for you, but here is a tip that I got from a student. She told me that she was having that same problem, and she realized that after she hit submit, she had to scroll back up to the top of that page. And when she did that, there was a box that said view results. So I think that should help. So, quiz will be due tomorrow Tuesday at 9 a.m. Okay, guys, thank you for all your hard work. We're almost at the end. Like I said, for our class, we have energy transfer that we'll look at a little bit this week in a couple of ways. And then we have human impact, which I think is a neat little section that we'll do. email me if you have any questions. If you are doing makeup work, remember to email me when you have it done because I don't go back and recheck a graded folder. So just email it to me. In fact, the best way to do it is if it's a Google Doc or something like that, to just share it with me because then I can get direct access and don't have to go back into the classroom. Okay, take care, guys. Thanks.